Your email signature is pretty important than you think it is. It's like short bio in your email, so you have to use it carefully and tactfully. Hi, I'm Jordan Matthias. I make videos on everyday tech and how to use them. And in this video, we are going to see how to create an email signature for your emails along with your photo inside it so it looks more professional. So we're going to see how to create a professional looking email signature for your email. So let's get started. So to create a professional looking email signature, you can use any of the softwares, design softwares that you are already using. I am using Canva in this video. You can use PowerPoint or you can use Google Slide. Whichever is easy for you, you can use that. But I will be using Canva today. See, I'm using Canva because you get ready-made templates over there. And it is very useful if you're just beginning, starting out. So when you are not sure how your email signature should look like, you can use some of the templates that they're already available in Canva. But if you're very sure how it should look and you want a custom design for your emails, then I suggest you use Canva because you have lots of options over there, lots of design options and text options. So let's see how to design an email signature in Canva. So here we are in canva.com. You can either go and search for email signature and you will get some templates, or you can go to create a design and custom dimensions 600 into 200. Create new design, and this is blank canvas we'll be working on. So first of all, we want to insert the image. I'm keeping it super simple. You can use it the way you want. So I'm just going to go to uploads, and here I have my image uploaded already. So I'm just going to click over here, and I want it in a circle shape. So I'm going to go to elements, and here just scroll down and you will get frames. Click on this, and these are all ready-made frames for you to insert the picture. Just take your picture and drag and drop over there. Now my head is cut off over here, so double click and just adjust the picture the way you want. So I have my image here. I'll just resize it like so and go to text, add a heading. So here I'm just going to write my name, my full name. Okay, left align it and then go and place it over here. So now I want this in leaks pattern. So okay, I'll just resize this further. So if you want these pink color guides that you are seeing, you have to go to file and then show guides and show margins, rulers, so you will get everything. So I'm just going to place it, okay, and duplicate it, Control D, and then here I'm going to write what is my designation. Okay, after this I want a line, so just go to elements and click on line, and you'll get the various type of lines. I'm going to select this one, and over here on the top you can select the color. You can select the color and the thickness. I'm just going to go to keep it through 2. Yeah, 1 is enough. And just going to resize it. Hold the shift key so that it doesn't change, the angle doesn't change. So I'm just going to keep it like this and place it here. You can always add in things over here. I'm just going to keep it simple like so. You can even give it a different color. Okay, and here I'm going to add all my links. That is, I want Okay, this is the most I want. I want to change this color, green color. I just want to keep it white, and where there is white, I want to make it black. Okay, this is fine. Now I'm going to just change the name over here to email signature, and then download it as a PNG. Now you have to go to your settings. Under general tab, you will scroll down and you will find signature. So here you have to create new, and I'm just going to name it primary because I'm going to use it for all my new mails. And you go to insert image, upload, go to your downloads, you will find your downloaded email. Yes, now we want the Facebook and Instagram links. Just click on the right arrow and then enter, and here you have to insert your Facebook images. Okay. Now you can link them using this link option over here. Just select the one that you want and go to link. So here is the mail that I received. So if I just go and click on it, you can see the image. So you can download that image, and if I go and click on any one of these, it will redirect me to that site. So if I go and click on any one of these, it will redirect me to that site. So let me click on Instagram. So it will redirect me to the Instagram page. That's how you link it, and this is how your signature will look. So this was all about creating a professional looking email signature. I hope this video has helped you a lot, and if you have done this, please comment down below. Come back and comment down below and tell me that you've done this. I will be more than happy to know the results. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and like this and share this with your friends. Thank you so much. Keep learning.